Hi guys, it's Mrs. Clark here. I'm going to make my first video lesson for you. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully you will like the way that I explain things on here. Hopefully I make it clear for you, and if you guys let me know whether you like it or not, if you do, then I can start making more video lessons for you moving forward while we're home and not together. So today's lesson is going to be on the sum of interior angles within a polygon. All right, so we're going to start with some information that you guys should already know, which is if you have a three-sided polygon, which is your triangle, you know that the sum of the angles inside that three-sided figure have to equal 180 degrees. Okay? Now, if you have a four-sided polygon like this, there's two ways that you can find the sum of the interior angles, okay, of that four-sided figure. One way is to see how many triangles you can make within that shape. So if you watch this, if I draw a diagonal line, you can see that I can make two triangles out of this. So basically, to find the sum of those interior angles inside there, I would take 180 times 2. Some of you already know that's equal to 360 degrees. Okay? Here's a pentagon, five-sided polygon. Okay? So I want to see, I can start by trying to see how many triangles I can make out of this polygon. If I start here and draw a line to the top, that's one triangle right here. If I draw a line from here to here, there's another triangle, and that leaves me with a third right here. So basically 180 times 3 is going to give me the sum of that five-sided polygon, the sum of the angles inside that five-sided polygon. So 180 times 3 gives me 540 degrees. Okay? Now, that's all fine and good when you have a regular polygon that has a small number of sides. This is manageable. But when you get into polygons that have 14 sides, 16 sides, which is possible, finding out what the sum of all those angles inside that 14-sided polygon or the 16-sided polygon it's not easy to do. So there's got to be a better way. And the better way is this formula right here, which is you take the number of sides of the polygon that you're trying to find out what the sum of the angles are, take the number of sides, subtract 2 from it, and multiply what you get by 180. So let's try this. Let's say you have a 10-sided polygon. Take 10, subtract 2, that leaves you with 8. Take 8 and multiply it by 180 degrees. So 180 times 8 gives me, let's see, 1,440 degrees. Let's try it one more time. Let's say you have a 12-sided polygon. 12, you take 12, subtract 2 from it. That leaves you with 10. 10 times 180. Well, you guys all know that if you take any number, a whole number, and you multiply it by 10, all you have to do is add a 0 to the end of that given number that you had. So if we had 180 and we multiply it by 10, we get 1,800 degrees. Okay? So two different ways you can find the sum of the interior angles inside of a polygon. Okay? One way, if there's a small enough number of sides, see how many triangles you can make inside. Then take the number of triangles you can make, multiply it by 180, and you get your answer. If the polygon has too many sides, instead of dividing it up into how many triangles you can make, take the number of sides, subtract 2 from it, take that number and multiply it by 180, and you will get your answer. I hope that my explanation was clear. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly found it a little weird teaching to my Chromebook screen, but I'll do it if you guys like it. So hopefully you learned something here, and please give me the feedback so I know whether or not I should make more. Have a good day. Bye.